Hi everyone, welcome to DH Solar Technical Support Showroom. Today, I would like to introduce you something new, DH Solar Academy. In short, is an online learning platform for our global partners. Let me show you what we can do here. This is where it all begins, our global training center. Our customers are all over the world. No matter where they are, we are helping them to understand the product and to master the technology. How does it work? How to set up the system? Where should we pay attention during the installation and commissioning? We answer these questions every day, and we have turned all that experience into a structured training. And that's exactly what DH Solar Academy is about, making professional technical guidance accessible to our global partners. Theory alone isn't enough. Here we have a real equipment, energy storage system, hybrid inverters, all in working conditions. When our partners visit us, we walk them through the live demonstrations, showing exactly how the things operate and how to configure them. We want every partner moving from knowing the product to using it with confidence. In our factory, we have one solution example to show you how it works. So in this system, we have a carport PV plus a hybrid inverter, energy storage system, and the EV charger. So you can check in the system here, the battery working, the hybrid inverter, EV charger, and the carport here. So through this demonstration, we can understand how the system helps to reduce electricity costs and improve energy efficiency. It also gives you the clear idea of how the solution could be applied to your own projects. Over here, we showcase the complete solar plus storage system solution from residential, commercial, and industrial applications. We have prepared technical package for different scenarios. We also highlight our global after-sales service network and support structure. We want our customers to see not just the product, but the reliable system, backed by the team that is ready to help. Now, we're bringing it all online. That's DH Solar Academy. Here, you can find a technical resource, training videos, certificates, hands-on guides. We want to make the technology more accessible and the support more responsible. DH Solar Academy now is live. Welcome to DH Solar Academy.